Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Zenless Zone Zero game. So let's get started right away. Now, since this game is linked with your Epic Games Launcher account, first of all, go ahead and open up the Epic Games Launcher app. Once the application is opened up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in using your credentials, you will be taken into the Epic Store page. Now, in order to change your username, just click on your user ID at the top right corner and then click on Account, which will take you into your account settings for Epic Games Launcher within your browser. Now, once you're inside the account settings page, you will see your account information within which you will see your display name. Now, if you have made any change to your display name in the past 2 weeks, then you will see this lock icon, which means that you will need to wait until that time has passed in order to change your display name. Once this time period has passed, you can just click on the edit icon, which will appear instead of the lock icon. After clicking on this, just enter your desired username for your Epic Games account, which will also be used within the Zenless Zone Zero game. After making your desired edit, save these changes, and now your username on your Zenless Zone Zero game will be changed right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Zenless Zone Zero game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.